Now to this question now, we have to use logarithm table too. So we form a table. Number and log. The first number here is 532.1. The characteristic is 2 point. Then we check 53 under 2, difference 1 on the logarithm table. Okay, so we have 53 under 2, 53 under 2, 53 under 2, 7259, 7259. Now, difference 1 is 1. So this 7260. So we have 7260. Okay, 7260. Then, okay, let me just extend it a little bit. So you have the next one as 7.1, 7.1 square. Okay, 7.1 square. Let me write this one here, 2.7260. Okay, so we have 7.1 square. So the characteristic for this is 0 point. I'm going to check 71 under 0 on the logarithm table. 71 under 0 is 8513. 8513. And because this is raised to the power of 2, I multiply this one by 2 to now have this as 6, this as 2. 2 times 5 is 10, 0 remainder 1. 2 times 8 is 16, 16 plus 1, 17. So you have 7 remainder 1. So 2 times 0 is 0 plus 1, that's 1. So we have 1.7026. So let me just write down here 1.7026. And because these two, you can see multiplication is connecting them, so I have to add up the two answers, this plus this one. So if I add up, okay, let me add up now. So if I'm adding, I have 0 plus 6, that's a 6. This is 8. We have 2. 7 plus 7 is 14. 4 remainder 1. 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 1. That's 4. So we have 4.42886. 4.4286. Alright, then I will now move to the denominator. That's a 16.4. So I have 16.4 here. 16.4. Okay, I can bring back this one as a 4 points. Well, let me just leave it here. So we have the characteristic is 1. You have 1. Then we have 16 under 4. 16 under 4. I check 16 under 4. That gives 2148. 2148. Then of course the answer to the numerator is 4.4286. Okay, after the addition we have 4.4286. The denominator is 1.2148. And because this is division, you subtract. So let me just write that here, 1.2148. So you subtract. Okay, when I do that, I have 6 minus 8. You borrow from 8. This one remains 7. This is 16. 16 minus 8 is 8. 7 minus 4 is 3. 2 minus 1 is 1. 4 minus 2 is 2. 4 minus 1 is 3. And because this whole number is covered with this cube root, what will I do? I divide this one by 3. Okay, so if I'm dividing by 3 and I have 3 divided by 3 will give me 1. I have decimal point. 2 divided by 3 is 0. Remainder 2. Please be careful here. Don't just pick 21. Okay, you start by picking 2. So one number after the other. So 2 divided by 3 is 0, remainder 2. So this becomes 21. 21 divided by 3 is 7. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Then 8 divided by 3, that's 2. Okay, remainder 2. So do just throw that 2 away. Add 0 to it, that's 20. 20 divided by 3, I think I'm going to get 6. Okay, remainder. You can forget about the other remainder. So since this one is 6, eventually I can write this as 1.07113. Okay, then I will now find the antilog of this number. Find the antilog of this number to now get the final result. So by checking 0.07 on that one on the antilog table, 0.07. So we have 0.7 on the antilog table. No, under 1, 0.7, under 1 is 1178. Okay, difference 3 along that same line. So we have difference 3. Difference 3 is 1. Okay, we have 1179. We have 1179. And because this is 1, they add 1 to it, that's 2. just a 1 2, then put your decimal point in. So the answer is 11.79. All right.